Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a NumNoms Bubbly Unicorn. So let's get started. To draw this unicorn, we're going to first start by drawing the nose and mouth area. So right here I'm going to start with a curve. So we're kind of like drawing a oval. So round off a curve and then let's bring it around on both sides. And bring it all the way back. And as we come to the bottom right here, we're going to straighten it out for the bottom. So, oops, and connect it. I went past it. But something like that. And then let's come in here and draw a small circle for the nostrils. So 2 of them. And then let's come to the side of this and we're going to draw a circle for the eye. So kind of in this area, start about right here. Draw a circle. Big draw so cute eye. So let's make this one a draw so cute eye. Let's come in here with 2 small circles for highlights and a curve line at the bottom because the other one's a winking eye. So we'll work on that one after we're done with this one. So shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. And let's come to the side right here and we're going to draw 2 lashes. So just 2 curves that come out of the eye. And then let's come to the other side and we're going to draw a winking eye. So find the center of this eye, say about right here, and I'm going to go right across and I'll just give myself a point. So right here and about in this area. And I'll give myself a point, and from there I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve and about this much, just about the width of the other eye, and then come down and curve it out for a lash. And come up right here and draw another lash. So I'm going to come in here and thicken this all up. There. Okay. So now that we have that part in, let's come to the side of this eye. So kind of where the top of your eye is, come out about this much. And I'm going to just draw a curve around this eye. And bring it down. So as I bring down this curve, I'm going to remember that I need to draw a curve that comes right to this base. So let's come to the other side. Point across from the eye, say about right here, approximately, and then once again I'm just going to draw a curve. And then let's come in here and we're going to come down, bring it in. So then about right there I'm going to stop and bring a curve all the way back. So now we can go ahead and come from this side. And connect it. There, so we have the base in. Okay, so now from there, let's come up from here and curve in a little bit. And as we curve in, now we can go ahead and straighten it up. So same thing over here. Curve in a little bit and then start to straighten up. So then as we go up, let's come up about, let's see here. Maybe this much. As we come up a little bit, we're going to come out again. So we're creating this slight curve. So I'm going to look at my other side. So about right here. There. So we're about the same level now on both sides. From there, I'm going to imagine there's a curve coming across. So if you're using a pencil, go ahead and draw this curve. I can start it actually. So from here, you start this curve. Okay. So by having this curve, I know kind of this is my center above right here in this area. I'm going to start and draw a circle. So this is going to be the beginning of my bow. And let's draw the loops. So we're going to draw the first loop. And this is just in the center of all this. So we're going to draw a loop, and this one's a little bit smaller. And bring it in. Add a little curve in the center. And then this loop right here is slightly bigger, and it's kind of off at an angle. And connect. And once again, another curve inside. And so once again, just remember this part right here is just right above the nose in between the eyes. So don't go too far out because you still have an ear that you need to put in. Okay, so now in between this right here, we're going to draw a strand of the mane. So let's come up with a curve and bring it all the way around. And then let's draw another strand, comes out by right here. Curve it out and bring it in. And now a smaller one right here. And bring it in. There. Okay, so then now we can finally go ahead and finish this curve. So it comes right across and connects. So now we have the basin. Now let's go ahead and draw the ears. So I'm going to come in a little bit about right here, and I'm going to pop out an ear. So come up, round off the tip, and bring it right back down. And just draw the center of it. Just follow the outside and in. So same thing over here. So come in a little bit and sit about right here. Go up with a curve, just like the other side. I'm going to drag this point across, so it's approximate. And round off the tip and bring it right back in. So once again, draw the inside. Okay, so then now the horn right in the center. So I'm just going to give myself a point. Using this circle, which is in the center, I'm going to come, say, about right here. Give myself a point, and from here I'm going to round off a little tip and bring down 2 angles. There. And then let's come in here with some curved lines to give our horn some dimension. And we're going to finish off this. Right here, we're going to draw a curve because it's kind of like an oval. So same thing on this side. Give our num here some volume. So just imagine this curve coming out, and so about right there. It's going to curve around, come through, and curve back down. So there, that's pretty much it for this NumNoms Snackable Dippers Bubbly Unicorn. What a mouthful, right? Hope you enjoyed watching me draw it and it inspires you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.